Okay.
Hi, my name is Ognjen Stanojlović and I'm going to talk about Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was born in Serbia in a village town named Smiljan. He was a world famous scientist and he was a physicist too. He patented transformer and AC induction motor developed by George Westinghouse, who once hired him for a short period of time. Interesting facts about Nikola Tesla: he had a mental problem that made him always wash his hands 3 times. He would circle every building that he was entering 3 times in a row. He died in New York, poor and underestimated, but FBI got hold of his priceless drawings and documents. He made the first hydrocentrical power that was powering the whole New York. In the interview, they asked Nikola Tesla, they asked Einstein what it's like being genius, and he said, "I don't know, ask Tesla." He had a dark side too. He was claiming that he could shoot a beam of death, and he could shoot it from distance of 320 kilometers, and if it would hit a float of enemy, that will destroy 15,000 of enemy ships. That's like whole Russia. He made the first joystick that controlled little ship, but in that time they didn't realize how important that invention was. He made a tower in Colorado Springs, and it was 40 meters high, and he wanted to power up for free whole world. The tower was destroyed by US in 1917, and in fact he wanted to make an aircraft that would be powered by his tower, but the tower was destroyed, so the aircraft was never finished. Before he died, he had 250 patents, and one of them was Tesla soil, spark plugs, and radio. Tesla was always sabotaged by Thomas Edison, and he stole some of his inventions, but Tesla was and still is remembered as a world-class scientist and physics. Thank you for watching.